Hi, I'm Lisa from Kanta Aesthetic. Today, I'm so excited to share with you an amazing machine, the EMSlim NEO Home Machine. This amazing device brings professional-grade body sculpting results right into your home. It combines muscle stimulation and fat-burning technology, making it great for getting in shape and losing fat. Dual technology combination. The EMSlim NEO Machine combines high-intensity electromagnetic and radio frequency technologies to simultaneously reduce fat and enhance muscle, achieving ideal body contouring results. Convenient for home use. Designed specifically for home use with easy operation, exercise while lying down. Enjoy professional-level beauty center sculpting effects from the comfort of your home. Non-invasive treatment. Completely non-invasive with no downtime required, allowing you to quickly achieve a toned and fit body without disrupting your daily life. Fast results. Each treatment session lasts only 30 minutes, with visible fat reduction and muscle sculpting effects apparent within a few weeks. Safe and reliable. The EMSlim NEO Machine utilizes advanced technology that has been rigorously tested and certified to ensure safe use. Powerful voltage regulator, achieves maximum stable energy output. Simple operation. Just secure the handle to the treatment area, select the intensity level and duration, and start the treatment. 3-year warranty. We offer a 36-month warranty and lifetime technical support and maintenance. You can contact us at any time if you encounter any issues during use. Free training. Kanta Aesthetic provides advanced training services. Our certified trainers will teach you how to use the machine proficiently, so you don't need to worry about how to operate it. This is a before and after comparison of our customers. You can see that the changes in the treated area are obvious. By consistently using the device in conjunction with good dietary habits, you will achieve unexpected results. This is the machine's power cord. This is the handle strap that comes with it. This is the handle of the machine. This is the main unit of the machine. Install the handle of the machine. Connect the power cord and turn on the machine. The machine has 2 modes, automatic and manual mode. First, let's enter the automatic mode. Choose parameters based on the actual situation. Next, we enter the treatment page of the machine. For the electromagnetic intensity energy setting, start adjusting from 17. This is the RF energy adjustment of the machine. The starting energy is recommended to be set at 17, and the RF energy does not need to be adjusted too high. A slightly warm feeling is just right. If you feel the energy is too low, increase the energy level, otherwise, decrease it. Find the energy intensity you can tolerate. M1, M5 are 5 different treatment modes. Next, we enter manual mode. Choose parameters based on the actual situation. For electromagnetic intensity energy settings, start adjusting from 17. If you feel the energy is too low, increase the energy level, otherwise, decrease it. It is recommended to set F1 to 5. It is recommended to set F2 to 50. It is recommended to set F3 to 100. This is the treatment time adjustment. Typically, one session lasts for 30 minutes. Click Next. This is the RF energy adjustment of the machine. The starting energy is recommended to be set at 17, and the RF energy does not need to be adjusted too high. A slightly warm feeling is just right. If you feel the energy is too low, increase the energy level, otherwise, decrease it. After the treatment is completed, you can wipe the handle with an alcohol pad. Thanks for watching. Setting up the EMSlim NEO at home is that simple. If you're looking to enhance your fitness routine, this could be a game changer for you. For more details, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you next time.